Welcome to part 2 of our 6-part postpartum core series. For this core series, we're going to be focusing on rebuilding core stabilization as we move into the postpartum phase after pregnancy and birth. This core workout is a part of our postpartum on-demand program, and so if you want more, be sure to check out our postpartum on-demand program down in the notes below and use code YouTube10 to get 10% off the full program. The Postpartum On-Demand program is a 6-week program with 24 workouts to help guide you not only through core stabilization, but also through strengthening and rebuilding after pregnancy and birth so you can feel strong in motherhood. So be sure to check out the program down below. For this core warm-up, we're going to need an elevated surface and a yoga block or a Pilates ball. So once you've gathered both of those pieces of equipment, let's go ahead and get started with the 7-minute core workout. So we're going to start the workout on our back. So coming onto our back, we're going to take one heel and we're going to press it into the edge so that the other leg can extend freely out to the side. So we're going to press the heels down and then exhale to extend the arm and the opposite leg as you press this heel down into the elevated surface. Inhale to come up. Exhale to extend without arching in the back as you extend overhead, and then inhale to come back. And now the foot does not have to touch the floor. It can still be pretty high if that is what's keeping you from arching. Now we're going to reach across and press into that knee and then extend the arm. So come back, press, and then extend. And now let's go ahead and scooch over so we can do the other side. So driving your heel into that elevated surface, we're going to extend opposite foot and hand and then do the cross body. So go ahead and exhale to extend, keeping that rib cage down, and then inhale to come back. So inhale to feel your back push into the floor, and then exhale to extend, keeping that rib cage and pelvis connected so we're not arching. And now exhale to press opposite hand into knee, and then inhale to extend overhead. Exhale to press, inhale to extend. So now the breathing is a little bit opposite of what we did for the first part. Let's go ahead and roll onto our side and grab your yoga block, place it between your thighs. So we're going to come back into that side lying hip abduction. So elbow, hip, and ankle in a generally straight line, block between the thighs. And then think rib cage aligned to pelvis. Exhale to push those hips forward, not to the ceiling. So we want full hip extension in both sides, as if we were doing a glute bridge on our side. So exhale to squeeze the block, push the hips forward. Inhale to sit back. Primarily feeling this in the bottom side glute and ab musculature. And now extend that leg and that arm, and now we're just going to kind of lift the foot off the floor. So that bottom foot toe is not touching the floor here. And just holding this. Let's go ahead and switch sides. So placing that block between the thighs, rib cage aligned to pelvis. Exhale, push those hips forward, squeeze that block, inhale to sit back. So again, it's like we're doing a glute bridge on our side. keep that extension and then reach overhead with the arm and extend the leg, keeping the toe off the ground. Keep squeezing that block. And then think open in the chest so we're not kind of crowded here. Now let's come to a tabletop position. So exhale to extend opposite hand and leg while keeping the toe on the ground. Inhale to come back. So exhale to extend, keep that toe on the floor so we're avoiding arching in the back. Really think about rib cage and pelvis pulling towards one another. Inhale back, but we're dragging that toe on the floor. Let's go ahead and switch sides. So same thing, dragging that foot back and forth to help keep the hips level. And then tabletop position, hover in the knees and then lower them back down. And this concludes part 2 of our 6-part core series. Check out the full series in our playlist and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you get notified whenever we release new workouts, especially a part of this core series. If you enjoyed this core series, be sure to check out our Postpartum on-demand program where we guide you through not only core exercises to help you stabilize in the core, but also strengthening exercises to help you strengthen overall so that you can feel strong in motherhood. So check out the Postpartum on-demand program down in the notes below and be sure to use code YouTube10 to get 10% off any of our online offerings.